Hey guys, John Lowe here from 2018 30K Challenge. I want to create a quick video on creating an order, creating a one cancels other order, OCO. Okay, before we get started, as usual, disclaimer, not a professional financial advisor, do not have a degree in finances, I am not a profitable trader. This is for educational purposes only. You can call up the broker at Thinkorswim and ask them how to do it. But here's a video to try to show you and at least give you a heads up on how to do that. I'm not making investment suggestions, nor should anything you see, read, or listen to constitute, imply any investment advice. So we seek a counsel of your professional financial advisor before making any investment. By viewing this video, you agree not to hold Jonathan Lowe or any of my assets liable for losses that you encounter while trading the stock market in any form. This is my theory based on my own experience. Okay, so let's go over some math here. So my order, I'm in a profitable trade right now on NVDA. Up $168 on 4 contracts that I scaled into today. Um, I took some losses on NVIDIA earlier, and I just waited for it to go down to the 50% line from Friday, and I just started buying one contract, every hour or so, because I have a feeling over the next few days, NVDA is going to be going up quite a bit. So that is my theory, my educated guess. Okay, I will create an OCO order that would take me out of the trade if I hit an upper limit or a lower limit. Lower limit will be $8. Upper limit will be around 10.20 option price, or the stock price is $250. I believe we're going to find resistance for a little bit at 250, so I'm going to take off at least one of my contracts. Okay, so let's create the formula. OP means option price, TP means target price, SP means stock price, D is delta, LP is limit price. So limit price, in order to figure out what my limit price, I need to take the current option price plus the difference between target price, which is 250, plus the stock price right now, which I forgot what it's at. Anyway, we'll look that up here, and you're going to times it by delta. Delta is the option, I guess, number that the option price will go up. Delta every dollar the stock moves. Okay, so the way it looks like here is, so here's the formula again, and I figured out this is the actual number. So the option price here is $8.30. Delta is 55 currently. Target price is 250, and stock price right now is 246.58. So if you take 250 minus 246.58, which leaves you to about, I don't know, $3.46 or something, 42 cents, and you times that by delta, and then you plus that, add that to $8.30, you come out to $10.18. And what we're going to do is we're going to round that up to $10.20 because I'm probably not going to get filled at 10.18. And please note, I know there's something about gamma, and for every dollar that the delta goes up, you also have to add in gamma. At this point, gamma is like 2 cents, so I'm not really going to worry about that too much. So anyway, let's move over to the option. Actually, first let's look at the trade today. So I've already updated the lines, if you don't know. This is the high of today. This is the low of today. The low of today was actually around the 50% line of last Friday, between the high and low of last Friday. So we found some support here. Now I'm still coming down. I only wanted to take one just in case we continue to flush. I would stop out here with like a $40 loss. As it began to creep back over here, it looked pretty good. I took another one. knowing it could come back down here again. If it broke down here again, I would take the whole thing off for probably like maybe an $80 or $90 loss. And so, but I held. It made a lower high or higher low here. Okay, started moving up. I knew if it could break over this price here at 244.75, which on the 2-minute chart, I believe it, pretty much. Let's go to the 2-minute chart here. Not sure what I was looking at. So basically, I was looking at this on my phone, and I knew if the price action could break over 24, I think it was here. Once it gets over this 50 again, I was pretty certain that we were gonna go. Oops, maybe that's not the wrong place. Okay, so maybe that's over here, and I'm talking over here. I'm sorry. Here we go. So as soon as it on the 2-minute chart here, as soon as price action got over this spot here, I added another one because I was pretty much sure we're going to go long, and we did. Now I think we're going to go long for a few days. So this is another line. I think a pre-market macro pivot from today, and maybe it was actually right about here. Anyway, I added a fourth one here. So anyway, that's it. So I think over the next day or two or so, we should be able to reach 250, okay, if not the all-time high, and going even further from that, okay. So what I want to do is take at least one of my contracts off at about 250. I'm sorry, 250 right here. So here's how I'm going to do it. Let's reduce that. Let's pull up my TLS. And actually, I've already had the order in here already. And there's 3 orders here. Okay. One is to sell one contract at 1020, which is near $250 tomorrow. And then if it goes down when I'm not looking, I'm going to sell all 4 contracts at around $8. Okay, so I'm going to cancel, boom, cancel that, and I'm going to cancel this order, and let's create these orders all over again. So as you can see, I'm $168 profitable on 4 contracts here. I did take a loss of $217 trying to go long on NVIDIA earlier, and it kept on just stopping me out, so I wasn't too happy about that. But anyway, what you can do is switch this to OCO. You're gonna right click on this and duplicate an order here. We're going to sell 3 contracts. No, actually what we're gonna do, we're gonna sell 1. Okay, 1 contract, and we're gonna move these to make this good to cancel. Make this a stop. Okay. Actually, no. One's gonna be a stop. One's gonna be a limit order. Let's see. Let's change this. Okay. So the stop, I want it to be around $8. Okay. This is gonna be a stop. Stop market. Stop. Price is going to be on the bid. It'll exit me out whatever the market is for 1 contract. Okay. The limit, I can set this to the price I want to take profit at tomorrow, which would be $10.20. Okay. So I want to scale out of one of my contracts at $10.20 tomorrow, and I want to close 1 contract at $8, which would set me at break even, so I'm not going to lose anything tomorrow. In fact, actually, I'll probably just move that to 810 and confirm and send, because I don't want to lose money on this trade tomorrow. Okay, and then the other, so I have one order out for one contract, and so I want to set the rest of these to break even for me tomorrow. So I'm going to set another stop tomorrow for $8.10. So there you go. I'm going to sell 3 contracts at $8.10 if this is hit, and we'll sell it at market, and it's good till canceled. Okay, and then I confirm and send. All right, so here we go again. You want to see these orders. Here I'm selling $3 at $8.10. 3 contracts at $8.10. Well, hopefully will get me out of pretty much at break even. If not, maybe a little bit of profit. And then I want to sell the 4th contract if it goes down on me at the same price. But tomorrow, if the price goes up, NVDA goes up to 250 or around there, I want this order to sell one of my contracts at $10.20 for a nice profit. Okay, and then I'll reset the rest. Probably raise my stop loss, so make sure I end this trade profitable. All right, that's it. All right, hope you guys like that. I'll go back to this. That's how you do it. If you guys like what you see, please subscribe to my channel, click the like button. It helps me out. And if you want to open up a Tastyworks account, use this referral link. All right, have a great day. We'll talk to you later. Bye.